Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's not only delicious but also essential for maintaining the nutritional value of your meals. We'll be exploring the best cooking techniques to ensure maximum nutrient retention in your dishes. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our flavorful journey. Let's get cooking. 1. Steaming. First up on our list is steaming. Steaming is a cooking method that involves using steam to cook food. This is often done by placing food in a container over boiling water. The steam generated from the boiling water then cooks the food. This method is popular for vegetables, fish, and other delicate foods because it helps retain nutrients and flavors better than some other cooking methods. Steaming generally requires a shorter cooking time compared to other methods like boiling or frying. The food is exposed to heat for a brief period, minimizing the loss of heat-sensitive nutrients. Unlike boiling, where food is submerged in water, steaming involves the indirect application of heat through steam. This reduces the contact of food with water, preventing the leaching of water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C and some B vitamins, into the cooking water. 2. Sautéing. Sautéing is a cooking technique that involves quickly cooking food in a small amount of oil or fat over medium-high to high heat. This method is commonly used for vegetables, meats, and seafood, and it imparts a rich flavor and appealing texture to the cooked items. The direct contact of food with a minimal amount of oil or fat, combined with the brief cooking time, helps minimize the loss of water-soluble nutrients. Additionally, the use of oil can help retain fat-soluble vitamins present in certain foods. Unlike boiling or simmering, which involves submerging food in water, sautéing uses a small amount of oil or fat. This reduces the contact of the food with water and helps prevent the leaching of water-soluble nutrients into the cooking medium. 3. Blanching. Blanching is a cooking technique that involves briefly immersing food items in boiling water, followed by rapid cooling in ice water. This method is commonly used for vegetables, fruits, and nuts. Blanching serves several purposes, including preserving the color, texture, and nutritional value of the food. Here's an overview of how blanching helps retain nutrients. Blanching helps inactivate enzymes present in fruits and vegetables that can cause deterioration and loss of nutrients over time. By briefly exposing the food to boiling water, these enzymes are deactivated, preserving the nutritional quality of the produce. Also, blanching helps retain the natural color, texture, and flavor of fruits and vegetables. The quick exposure to heat prevents the breakdown of pigments responsible for color and helps maintain the appealing appearance of the food. 4. Grilling. Grilling is a cooking method that involves applying dry heat to food from below or above. It is commonly done outdoors on a barbecue grill, but indoor grilling options, such as stovetop grilling pans, are also available. Grilling is often preferred for its ability to impart a distinctive smoky flavor to food and create appealing grill marks. When it comes to nutrient preservation during grilling, certain factors contribute to maintaining the nutritional value of the food. Short cooking time. Grilling typically involves relatively short cooking times compared to other methods like boiling or stewing. Shorter cooking times can help minimize nutrient loss, especially for heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin C. Retained moisture. While grilling does cause some moisture loss, it is generally less than methods like boiling. The retained moisture helps prevent excessive nutrient loss. 5. Roasting. Roasting is a dry heat cooking method that involves cooking food in an oven or over an open flame. It is commonly used for a variety of foods, including meat, vegetables, and nuts. Roasting helps to create a flavorful exterior crust while preserving the moisture and nutrients inside the food. Here's how roasting can contribute to nutrient retention. First, roasting helps to maintain the natural texture and color of vegetables and fruits. The preservation of vibrant colors often indicates the retention of certain nutrients, including phytonutrients and antioxidants. Similar to grilling, roasting often involves relatively shorter cooking times compared to methods like boiling or simmering. This helps to minimize nutrient loss, particularly for heat-sensitive vitamins and enzymes. Also, roasting allows food to retain more of its natural juices, contributing to a moist and flavorful result. This can help preserve water-soluble vitamins and prevent excessive drying out of the food.